this decision that Delhi has taken to ban firecrackers, is it because we are in COVID times? Is this going to be a decision now for good? Every time before Diwali, will you ban firecrackers knowing the fact that it is a pollutant? Are you doing it because of COVID, or are you doing it because on principle you believe that firecrackers are polluting?
So Rajdeep, this decision is because of the unprecedented COVID times. Delhi, as you know, has been hit with the third wave, and a lot of doctors and specialists had been advising the Chief Minister that due to the rising levels of pollution, higher COVID cases, it will not be advisable to burst firecrackers in Delhi this year, because as you know that just before Diwali, because of firecrackers, the pollution levels go up 50 or 100 times. And it is very, very difficult for the young kids and for the older people in Delhi to be able to sustain during those days. So the decision for now is because of COVID. And I'm very grateful as a mother and as somebody who has old parents that the Chief Minister has actually taken this decision. And I would request through your channel, the neighboring states around Delhi, I hope they will also take a similar decision, because a ban in Delhi does not really mean anything.
But for now it's only for 2020? But are you telling me for now it's only for 2020? Are you telling me next year things are going to get suddenly transformed? Why not say that we in principle believe that crackers are bad for the health, or crackers are injurious to the, are bad for our pollution levels?
Crackers are injurious to the pollution levels, but at the same time, Diwali is a big festival in India. And one has to also respect that sentiment. And hopefully the next year, we will not be in the same situation and the pollution problem will improve next year. Let's hope so. Okay. The government of Delhi is taking a number of measures, and I hope the central government as well spends the next 12 months really trying to solve this pollution issue.
Okay, let's look at that connection between firecrackers and COVID. Dr. Vivek Nangia, your principal director and head pulmonology at Max, give us a sense. Is there a direct connection between possible rise in COVID cases, not just in Delhi, but across the country? Karnataka is the latest state to ban firecrackers, and the use of firecrackers. Are firecrackers a hazard in COVID times, potentially leading to an excess of COVID cases?
Thank you, Rajdeep, for asking me this very important question. I think we need to start from what are the damages that firecrackers can do to our bodies, actually. So to begin with, of course, it can cause burns, it can cause injuries, it can cause respiratory tract asthmas, it could trigger off allergies, it could precipitate COPD, acute exacerbation. And that is primarily because there are these 4 or 5 crackers which generate very high levels of pollution, probably 200 to 2,000 times higher than what are permissible by the World Health Organization, that is WHO. And these are those Phuljadis, Anar, and Ladi, and Pirkari, or the Chakri, the one which revolves on the ground. So these are the ones which actually result in a lot of air pollution. Air pollution, as we all know, damages our lungs directly. A particle size less than 0.25 or less than 2.5 microns would go directly into the lungs and trigger off an inflammatory cascade, thus providing a very hotbed for any kind of virus. I mean, right now it's the COVID virus which is raging.
But that's every year. That's every year. My point is, this year in COVID times, is there a particular danger associated with bursting firecrackers?
That's exactly what I was coming to. That, because we are providing it a hotbed, literally like a fertile ground for the virus to proliferate and cause further damage to our body. And because the COVID virus is already in the air, so this virus also attacks the same respiratory tract which is already attacked by the air pollution. So we're actually worsening the air pollution with the firecrackers and creating a very challenging kind of a situation for our own body to fight out. There's an ongoing inflammatory cascade inside the lungs. On top of that, there's a virus which is ready to invade anytime. So the local defense mechanism to prevent this virus from entering the body would be totally missing, resulting in major infections. And we've had studies from across the globe which have shown that whenever the air pollution levels are high, the number of cases of COVID go up significantly.